Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Postman in your computer in a very simple way. How are you going to do it? First, you have to come over into your Google Chrome browser, and from here you just need to search over here Postman. And after that, here you will get this website called www.postman.com. So if you click on this, and then here if you just simply click on this Windows version over here, and then click on Windows 64-bit, click on that. And after that, the download option will be shows up, and if you click on a download over here, as you can see, the download has been started over here. So it will take some of seconds to complete. For that, keep patience. And as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, and if you click on this Postman Win6 Pro setup, click on that and minimize all the background app. And after a short time, the Postman will be open in your computer. As you can see, if you click on allow, I click on sign in, and now from here you just need to simply give the password, and then you can simply click on the sign in. Your Postman will be open in your computer, and from here you can simply create new project or any of systems that you want to run in Postman. You can simply do it in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.